Any rebata?
Yeah. Maybe Mamintio. Koviana and Common didn't say Anna Mana de na. Me get to Jadecum or Iraka craft from the na or cano. Because Nidiana is so very reactive to the mechanic. So say, I know Moka, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, said Mokase, and no way corrupt, and our Koji Ford, Nana, me bisase, Oma Babe 7 years ni. I didn't know moon to me for Papa and family quite so. A day. Because a ban is hard and next or more incompetent. Because our queen a beer for the Papa and family quite so. But your more can say a rude rather said. If he said, Ford as some hour or so, you wouldn't say a coach raj. A man shraj clear Papa no. Yeah. Enti then I walking. So what say, T, me know we are going to say. What say, your candinia, your candinia, or can cre. I know, dear, oka, me know yard, no candinia or can cre no. Ye missa, and yet His Excellency Alaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. And our car say borrowing is a lazy man's approach to governance. Na bisia kromba omunkobo. Omoba no, we movie a desktop no from 120 billion to 600 billion. And you know, kasi movie economy no from taxation to production. Moka taxes won some bebre. By neighbor, how many taxes no more there? More than 27. Into taxation to production, there were him. Woman no moka or mo aim manifesto. Yeah. Say Kole Lagoon. Ombe danini into international aquarium. Ama say the ama for ko Dubai a omuko hu fish no no mu dan show na the glass no omuka so be ene ko hwe kolenum say yayen bi sa efia ewom anya small anya onu ena o kan say within 18 months of our governance so say yen you obi o kan okrem o say ekura bia anampatam bia ebenya jana bia ani nsuo ye busa Ghana for ekura bia ne mpatam bia enya nsuo no Enya Janaibiano, was no community or village will lack toilet or water facilities within 18 months. Ewahi, Omaye, into a kind of crown, question Ebusano no. Omanka, say, a ye so per se, uyi acquire, or see just told the roads, for toll boots see her, neji to and the toll boots no only free her, into a kind of cray. And no promise Cape Coast for some baby airport among. Ah, the chief was a presidency, they be on the own Nimbiasa, and I'm refi. And please say a cardia name can ye on one or concept when the economic fundamentals no I week go and look at the exchange rate. So what is the exchange rate today? And this I will say young Quanisani and near say ye your canini or can credit and His Excellency Alaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say can credit party any on my under the term who can religious assembly who born a chain or that one 9th November 2023 committee delegates no after Owie na yi no yeah what's it then I say emraso say you be breaking the dominance of the Christian what kind prior to 2016 election say the Flagstaff House or say it is skewed some refia or say it is skewed that 2012 kind 2016 so kind o catch up problem is Flagstaff House is skewed because we show aye Christian. So you can religious politics or no religious politics. Ghana phone kon to abama obi because of the religion. Send you sad any hallelujah because onu kro yen kremoninu. Under President Mahama time no nye kremoninu. Na nkremofo akọ Mecca. Omutua 120 million, 12,000 Ghana cedis. And then over 700 million. Under President Mahama time. And the first time nkremofo moving from Tamale International Airport no moving from Oko Mecca straight. Inti manning me enko saade no okọ chief man fi President Mama koka asa what of friend Malam John Malam John Malam no refi so person obey kremo won tuba ni na mu refi so Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na aka sanse mu na mara me that kind of politics now the point is that wa kan sem bebre ye no say omrambedi manu kam ye backup ye kosro ba ye be compare records to President Mahama records as vice president. Do you understand? Now as vice president ye compare records now. He has no records. So per se ye ko ho no mi nkyerɛw. Enti emaya nkɔ ne saa na President Mahama de munya ne bia na mo de man kan hu se ensem a mo ka de win 2016 elections no. Saa nsem ne ye call 2020 na wash you. It did not wash. Enti craft a better message. Never message Papa Bra. But say Oba now be personal attacks. Ghanaians are beyond that. President Mahama record as vice president, as head of economic management team. Now debt stock was 35 billion. 35 billion. And then Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia as vice president for 8 years now saying 600 billion. Yes. So no. Tell me debt to GDP ratio. President Mahama as vice president now it was 48%. Under Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is over 104%. So Uba the exchange rate bobo under President Mahama time. Now your ratings was B plus. But Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia economic ratings are saying junk status. So Ukoba President Mahama time ni epia promptly. Yankoye domestic debt exchange program. Yankoma haircut. But under Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, he will make a haircut. Growth rate under President Mahama as vice president was 9.2%. Under Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, 3.1%. And he say, "You records no dey pa." But I am saying that say the President Mahama and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to na say ye rate in terms of educational ladder na. President Mahama ye PhD and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ye primary school. Because untimi fa nem totun hu bebia in terms of politics, in terms of everything, in terms of nikredie President Mahama nyanim free problems will take responsibility. Say the doom son buy and oka say I've taken responsibility me making sure say me to us here and yet Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia on economy ni jija and on what say they make digitalization. So these two gentlemen why you bet me trust them and clearly we will get there. Someone amakwa yi candidate who say President Mahama is the weakest link. Yeah, listen. Dr. hasn't said anywhere. So he's the weakest link. May say now date they say make my creativity Tobo. I don't know why G3. Let me talk. Take it good. The weakest link now mo for the car. So what you say? A year day and as a vice president, who a Greek minister na year juma. Who Martin na year juma. No boache jakune na sankro fo ina say who no untimi ni omanim.